In this video, we're going to show you how to install the park light socket on your Ford Mustang located in the outer edges of your headlamps. On the top of your headlamp area, you're going to locate these two metal tabs. These are locking tabs. I'm going to use a trim tool, get underneath, and you want to pull them up. Once these are up, we can go ahead and work our headlamps out. Go ahead and remove these. Now that you have those out, we'll go ahead and pull our headlamp forward. Pull that lamp forward. That's going to expose the back corner of the lamp that we want to gain access to. Go ahead and twist that counterclockwise. That's going to allow us to go ahead and remove our bulb and socket. I'm going to grab that bulb, pull it straight out, set that aside. And we have our connector here we want to go ahead and release. Pull that out and take your new socket, line that up, push that in, squeeze it into place. That'll snap in. There it is. Go ahead and take your bulb, line that up, snap that in. Now this is keyed. There's three little tabs on this here. They're different sizes. So this is only going to fit in one way. Once you get that lined up, twist that up into place. Now that we have our socket and our bulb installed, go ahead and slide that headlamp back into the body and the fender. Take your lock tabs, slide those down into place. I'm going to go ahead and get both of these started here and push those down. Now the process for doing this for the passenger side is the same as the driver's side. Once you're done putting these down and close your hood, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.